In this quick video, I am going to show you how to allow webcam access in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now enabling webcam is really easy. For that, firstly tap on these three dots on the Google Chrome. Once you tap on it, now go to settings from here. Now go to the privacy and security section, and here we need to click on site settings. Under it we'll see multiple options. We need to enable our camera. For that, select camera from here. Once you are here, make sure to select your correct webcam. So I have this one, which is Lenovo FHD webcam. I need to select it, and also make sure that you have enabled the first option, which is sites can ask to use your camera. If we select the second option, then we can't use our camera in other sites. So make sure to select the first option. Also, if you want to enable your microphone, go back from here, and under site settings we need to select microphone from here. And now we need to do the similar process. We just need to select our microphone from the first option, and make sure to select the first option from here as well. So this is the process. Now you can use your webcam and microphone in other sites. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.